it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting video because we have my Wantable Summer Staples edit. If you're unfamiliar with Wantable, I will definitely go ahead and link my last video, but to kind of go through an overview of it, they are a fashion styling subscription service. They do have 3 regular edits, and I actually do have all of them. I have the regular, the active, and the sleep and body. They also do have a men's active, which my boyfriend has and absolutely loves. Each month or bi-weekly, bi-monthly, however you want to set it up, you pay a $20 styling fee and they will send you about 7 items to try. And anything you don't like or don't want can be shipped back to them, and if you purchase anything, your styling fee does get credited. Occasionally, they will do some themed edits. Like I said, this is the Summer Staples box, so each time they put one out, I usually do try to pick it up. I think it's so fun to kind of try what they pick out. And I'm pretty excited for this one, so let's go ahead and dive into it. I also will put my code down below that will get you $25 off your first box as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open, potentially, if I can get it open. This is my little edit here. Here are all of my pieces. It does have the sticker that says styled for Ellie, which I feel like is such a nice touch. So let's go ahead and open it. So on top we have the little brochure for the seasonal staples edit with a little message from my stylist and all of the items and prices. Saving this for the end, I like the surprise. Then we have the envelope to send back anything you don't like or don't want. This is super easy. You just pack everything up, pull off the tape, seal it, leave it at your front door, and then you can go onto USPS.com and schedule a pickup. So super easy, low maintenance. I love it. Then we have all of the pieces. So let me move some things around and we'll go through them. Okay, so the first thing we have on here is jewelry. And when they send you jewelry, they do send it in a little fabric bag. These are really good for gifting if you end up not wanting to keep these. Oh, these are really pretty. Okay, I usually don't pick up jewelry because I have so much of it, but these are gorgeous. I think these are so pretty and dainty. I totally see why these are a seasonal staple. It says they are lead and nickel free, so that's pretty cool. Then into the clothing pieces, we have this blouse. Not sure about this. It's cute. I don't absolutely love the sleeves. Does kind of have some ruching here. It's pretty. I definitely like the color. I'll just be interested to see how it's on. Very thin, definitely very breathable, so that's a plus for sure. Oh, what is this? Okay. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so we have kind of a silky tank top. I have a lot of these. This is pretty. It does look like there is a little mark on here. I don't even know if you'll be able to see, just a little pen mark. Nothing too major, but Wantable is really good if you have any kind of mark or damage to the piece. If you decide to buy it, they will give you a different one as long as it's in stock. So I definitely like that. Their customer service is fantastic. And then the back is just kind of a T-strap. The quality on this is really nice. I can tell the fabric is very high quality, so I'm excited for that one. This is a white t-shirt. You can tell this is so see-through. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know how I feel about see-through white. It drives me crazy. This is interesting. It does have kind of a crossed stitch detail and then kind of a cutout here, some cuff sleeves, and then it does look to be cropped with a little bit longer in the back. I'm not sure how I feel about this. We'll see what it looks like on, but see-through white, you know the drill. And then we have this t-shirt. Oh, this is a tank top actually. This is a just v-neck t-shirt with v-neck tank top with a little pocket. It is blue and it is from Z Supply. I definitely really like Z Supply, so don't know if I'll like this piece, but excited to try it. These do not feel great, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this is a skirt. Okay, that's interesting. This is another Z Supply piece. This is a midi skirt, and then there is kind of a knot detail. I'm not sure about this. The fabric on here is not great. Kind of just feels like a t-shirt, which is odd for a skirt, but we'll try it on. And then the last piece, what is going on here? Oh, this is another skirt. This is a very see-through white skirt, or maybe a dress. I'm not really sure. Oh, I think it's a dress. It's totally a dress. Okay, so this is the top. It does look like it has some ruching here. Again, 100% see-through. Why? Some buttons, and then there is kind of a tiered detail to it, and it does look like there's a little bit of a slip. So hopefully that will make things a little bit better. Those are all of the pieces that I have. I'm really excited to see what they actually look like on, so I will adjust the camera and try everything on for y'all. Okay, so first is this white dress. This has gotta be one of the most unflattering dresses I've ever worn in my life. First of all, I wear 34 double D. My bra is actually to here. So this is kind of like cutting off my boobs in a very weird way. And the fringe is kind of sticking up. Not sure if it's supposed to do that, but it looks kind of weird in my opinion. And it's just very tight and uncomfortable here. Decent length. I feel like it's a nice midi style. You know, you can totally see the slip underneath, but you can't see through the slip. So that is good. And then there is kind of that little like peekaboo thing where the buttons fall. I think it's okay. I am just wearing it with a regular bra, so excuse that. Straps are adjustable and yeah, just not very flattering on me. Also just not really my style. I feel like this is, you know, just not me. But that's okay. On to the next one. Okay, then I figured I would just try on the rest of the pieces with this skirt. So let's talk about that first. So it is cinched here at the waist. I feel like it does fit pretty well. I did tuck this shirt in, so there's a little bit of added bulk, but I don't dislike it. It's certainly very comfortable. And I do like this kind of knot detail. I'm not sure how much wear I would get out of it, but depending on the price, I might kind of challenge myself because I feel like this is actually a piece that would be really cute with like a graphic tee and some sneakers, or, you know, a shirt like this one. But I do like it. It is longer in the back, definitely more of a midi style, and then kind of goes about 2 inches above the knee here. So not bad. And then this shirt is so pretty. I feel like this is such a nice color, and I feel like it's so flattering on literally every skin tone. Like I said, I did tuck it in here, but I'll pull it out so you can kind of see the length of it. I feel like this is really a good length. You can tuck it in. It does seem to wrinkle pretty easily, but honestly, I don't really mind. The back, like I said, is just a T-style back. I feel like that is very flattering. Straps are super comfortable. I don't feel like they're, you know, pushing down or anything. And I do just really love this fabric. I feel like it just like flows in a really beautiful way. I like this one. So we will have to see what the price is, but I'm excited. Okay, next we have this shirt, and I, you know, was expecting to not like the sleeves, but I definitely don't like them. I feel like the shirt itself is very pretty. Again, this fabric is beautiful. I love how it moves. I just don't really like the sleeves. I tried kind of like pulling them up and bunching them, but I feel like my arms are just a little too big for it to actually look good. The neckline here is very pretty. I love this collar detail. I don't really need anything this formal, so I feel like I probably wouldn't get a lot of use out of it. But if this is your style, I think this is a good move. Not really sure where this came from. I don't think that's me. I'm not sure. Don't remember seeing that earlier, but I have no idea. Like I said, the sleeves, not a huge fan of, but you know, the detail's nice, the quality's there for sure. You know, just not for me, but on to the next one. Okay, then we have this white t-shirt. It's way too tight on my arms. there are a couple weird things that are going on here. So first of all, it's definitely too tight around the chest area, and it is 100% see-through, as you can see. So I feel like this would be fine if you were working out and wearing like a sports bra underneath, but otherwise I wouldn't wear it. It does have this cut out detail here, which is fine. Not a huge fan of that. Longer in the back, like I said. The main thing that's very weird to me is that the inside has this strap that you put on the hanger, but it goes all the way across. So I'm not really sure what's up with that. I've never seen that in a shirt, and it's really weird and very uncomfortable. So not sure about why they did that, but this is just not for me. So next piece. And lastly, we have this Z Supply tank top. I like the color of this, and I don't mind the neckline area. This pocket, I feel like, is kind of in a weird place on the body. I'm not really sure why it's here and kind of sagging, but honestly, if I were wearing a tank top like this, it would probably be to just work out in, so I don't really mind that too much. The back is a Racerback, which is nice. It's fine, honestly. Depending on the price, might be worth it, but nothing to be too excited about. Yeah. All right, well, that was interesting. Let's go ahead and go through some of these prices. First, we have this blue blouse. This is the Smocked V-neck top in ice blue in a size medium from the brand Current Air, and this is $59. Honestly, not a bad price if you are in an office environment and need something like this. $59 is not horrible. It just wasn't very flattering on me. So this is gonna be a no for me. Then we have the Sabina knot skirt in black, also in a size medium from Z Supply. This is also $58. I don't think this is gonna be a yes for me. I just feel like it's not worth the price because I don't know how much wear I would get out of it. I think if it were in probably the $30 range, I might consider it, but pushing 60 bucks I feel like is a little steep for something of this quality, but that's okay. Then we have the shoulder slit top in bleached white from Addison Parker. This is $49. I feel like that's definitely a little steep for something like this. Not really my vibe. I would really only wear this to work out in. Then we have the pocket racer tank in black iris from Z Supply. This is $34. I actually don't feel like that's a horrible price for this. Z Supply is definitely more expensive, and I feel like for, you know, a workout shirt or a basic tank top for the summer, this is not horrible, but I just have so many that I don't think this is worth it. Then we have the absolutely stunning cowl neck Racerback cami in ice blue. This is from Skies Are Blue, and this is $44. I definitely feel like this is worth the price. I think this is, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And the fabric, oh, it's so nice. I just don't have a need for it. Then we have the solid smocked midi dress in ivory from brand Be Cool. This is $59. That's fine. I mean, if you have a chest that can fit into this and this is your style, $59 is not horrible. The fabric is nice, even though it's see-through, and I feel like if this is something that, you know, really fits within your wardrobe, it is a very versatile dress. It's just not for me, and so I can't rationalize the $59. And lastly, we have the delicate threader hoop earrings in gold. I would have tried these on, but I don't think I'm going to get these because I just looked in my jewelry box and I actually have something very similar that I rarely wear, so there's no need to get a second pair, but these are only $38. That is everything in my box. I definitely don't think this is something that I will be keeping anything from, but I do think this is a lot better than my last box, so if you haven't seen that video, definitely go check it out. That one did not go very well, but hopefully my next Wantable box will be a little bit better. I will definitely keep you posted as that one comes. It should be arriving any day now. So definitely stay tuned. Feel free to subscribe and join the community down below so you are here when it comes. Definitely let me know down below if you are a subscriber of Wantable, if you got this box, and if it worked out a little bit better for you than it did for me. If you are not already a Wantable subscriber, definitely check out my code down below so you can get $25 off your first box. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one. In the meantime, have a killer day. Bye!